Hello everyone. Are you trying to make a call from your Android phone but the call just won't go through and this annoying notification keeps popping up on your screen? Don't worry, this is a very common issue and the good news is it's super easy to fix. So keep watching because in this quick video I'm going to show you the exact steps to solve this problem in less than a minute. Alright, let's fix it. First, go to your home screen. Now open the Settings app. Once you are inside Settings, tap on the search bar at the top and type Microphone Access. You'll see the option appear. Go ahead and tap on it. Now simply turn Microphone Access on. That's it. Yes, the issue is usually caused because microphone permission is turned off, which prevents call from working properly. Now let's confirm it. Go back to your phone app, try calling anyone and you'll see that the problem is completely solved and your call is working normally again. So that's how you can fix this calling issue on your Android phone quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.